So today I'm doing an unboxing of the gpigbox, the monthly subscription that I get for my piggies. So today I have Fluff and Stuff and Oreo if she chooses to come out of the bunk bed. Well, so in the past, my last two unboxing videos, the pigs ran from me. So I thought, why not stick the box inside their cage? So I think I'm going to remove this for now. And I'll just move it slightly over. And let's see what is in this box. And maybe they'll choose to participate. So we have the exotic flower treat. And this is some type of flowers that I'm not familiar with, but it looks like it's, oh, what do you call those flowers? I can't think. My brain is blocked. So let's just see. I'll open it up. Let's see if I can get it open. Oh. It's resealable. Let's just see. I'll sprinkle some here and see. Oh, it's like dandelion. That's what it reminds me of. Well, hi. You want some? Yeah. Mmm. Mmm. So, oh yeah, Fluff is liking that. And then we have, while she's munching away on that, then we have the pet grass. It's a mini, which is cute because that's what it looks like when it grows. My pigs absolutely love the pet grass, the wheatgrass. So I have some already, but this is a great addition. I'll start growing this. There's 3 kits in there. Perfect. 1 for each cage. Great. And of course we have a twisted grass ball. I'll save that for later. We also have these apple sticks. And of course we have Timothy orange slice. So I don't know, since Fluff's the only one that's really taken part in everything here. Oreo has chosen. She's peeking out. What do you think? And of course, I love that they always give you these weekly pig care cards with a cute little, it's a piggy party. And of course, don't forget, that turns into a tunnel. And this is what it looks like when it's well loved. I have a bunch of them in the play yard. So there you have it. That is the unboxing. Let's see if she wants to smell it. No? How about the grass ball? What you think? No? All right, I'm happy. It's a nice addition. Oh, she's more interested in the string. Give me that. Fluff and stuff. You got a dandelion piece, dried dandelion piece on your head. All right. Time to spot clean again. Thanks for your help, Fluff.